Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVEO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a pretty crazy day on this one. Big volume once again, price action all over the place. But to summarize today's price movement in trading jargon, this is what would be known as just a pretty savage gap and trap. Now, what is a gap and trap? In case you're new, well, on Wednesday, the price closed right there, and then this morning, the price opened up there, hence what is known as a gap up. And in this situation, a good size gap up. And then the opening bell rang, and that's where things get savage because there's a bunch of poor souls that were buying all up around this area, and you can see that from that point, it was just basically all selling pressure the rest of the day. So that's the gap and trap here that has taken place, which now brings about an area that I would call the must-hold level of support down there at $10.50. And why is that level so important? And I'm not saying that this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to $10.50, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would you have at that point? You would quite literally have the price having gone right back to that range where it just was. Or said another way, that would imply that the price absolutely exploded upwards to then go back to where it was, which, not to insult your intelligence, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Now, to be fair, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but again, $10.50, that is why in my mind it's a very important level to watch closely moving forward. Now, in the event the price starts to work its way back upwards and bounce, first key level to watch on any sort of So if the price tries to work its way back upwards, first key level to watch going to be right here at that former area of support at $12.75. And then after $12.75, next key level up there at right around $14. So keep an eye on that area moving forward. And, those will be the couple of battlegrounds if there is any sort of attempted movement. But yeah, as of right now, the chart is certainly looking very, very shaky, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.